Question 51. In an agricultural community, the severe drought has caused a collapse in income among most residents. Consequently, home values have also fallen drastically, a condition referred to as A. Functional obsolescence, B. Economic obsolescence, C. Simultaneous stagnation, D. Concurrent valuation. Correct answer is B. Economic obsolescence. Functional obsolescence is a loss in value due to outdated design, inefficient use of space, or other features that make a property less desirable or useful compared to newer properties or current market standards. It's a problem within the property itself, not caused by external factors. Essentially, the property is outdated or poorly designed for its intended use. Economic obsolescence is a loss in value due to factors external to the property itself. In this case, the drought and resulting economic downturn in the community are external factors that have negatively impacted property values. It's not related to the physical condition or design of the homes, functional obsolescence, but rather the economic conditions of the area. Question 52. The statute of limitations for filing a lawsuit for encroachment is A. 3 years, B. 4 years, C. 5 years, D. 7 years. Correct answer is A. 3 years. The statute of limitations for encroachment in California is 3 years. This falls under the statute of limitations for trespass or injury to real property. Question 53. The unities of title needed to create a concurrent estate, joint tenancy, tenancy by the entirety, tenancy in common, are A. Unity of time, unity of place, unity of estate, unity of interest, unity of space, B. Unity of possession, unity of property, unity of interest, unity of estate, C. Unity of time, unity of title, unity of interest, unity of possession, D. Unity of purpose, unity of possession, unity of title. Correct answer is C. Unity of time, unity of title, unity of interest, unity of possession. There are 4 unities of title, grouped under the acronym of TTIP, title, time, interest, possession. Here's what each unity means. Unity of possession. All co-tenants have equal rights to possess and use the entire property. Unity of interest. All co-tenants own equal shares of the property. Unity of title. All co-tenants acquire their ownership interest through the same deed or instrument. Unity of time. All co-tenants' ownership interest vested at the same time. Question 54. After property has been transferred either voluntarily or involuntarily, the method of safeguarding the new owner's interest in it is called A. Land protection, B. Registration, C. Recording, D. Property preserving. Correct answer is C. Recording. Recording a deed or other relevant legal document in the public records is the standard way to protect a new owner's interest in real property. A recorded document is placed in the public record of the county where the property is located. Question 55. A sworn statement in writing made before an official authorized to administer an oath is A. Declaration, B. Affidavit, C. Acknowledgement, D. Testimony. Correct answer is B. Affidavit. A declaration is a formal statement or announcement, often in writing, that can serve various purposes. It can be an official pronouncement of intent, a sworn statement of facts, sometimes used like an affidavit, or, in real estate, the document establishing CC&Rs. Essentially, it's a clear and significant statement of something important. An affidavit is a written sworn statement of facts. It's made under oath before an authorized person, such as a notary public, and is often used as evidence in legal proceedings. It provides constructive notice of the transfer, making the ownership change a matter of public record and helping to prevent future title disputes. Question 56. Jonah sells his partnership interest in a general partnership in order to pay his largest creditor, Whale Enterprises. Jonah's sale of his partnership interest to Whale will A. Dissolve the partnership, B. Make the creditor a new partner, C. Either A or B, D have no effect on the partnership. Correct answer is D. Have no effect on the partnership. Selling a partnership interest does not automatically dissolve a general partnership. It also doesn't automatically make the buyer, Whale Enterprises in this case, a new partner. The existing partners would need to agree to admit Whale as a new partner. The sale simply transfers Jonah's financial interest in the partnership to Whale, meaning Whale is now entitled to Jonah's share of profits and losses. However, Whale doesn't gain the right to participate in management or other partnership decisions unless the other partners agree. Question 57. A property owner operating a factory on it decides to sell the property, then immediately leases the property back from the new owner to continue operating his factory. This practice is called a reverse sale B sale leaseback C real property interest swap D. Such a practice violates the UCC. Correct answer is B, sale leaseback. This is a common financial transaction where a property owner sells their property and then immediately leases it back from the buyer. It frees up capital for the original owner while allowing them to continue using the property. Question 58. An investor wishing to hedge against losses in his capital due to inflation would probably seek to invest his funds in A. Corporate securities B. Bank certificates of deposit C. Government bonds D. Real estate. Correct answer is D. Real estate. Real estate is often considered a hedge against inflation. As the general price level rises, inflation, real estate values tend to increase as well. This is because the cost of building materials and labor often goes up with inflation, increasing the replacement cost of existing buildings. Additionally, rents can also increase with inflation, making real estate a potentially attractive investment during inflationary periods. The other options are generally less effective as inflation hedges. A. Corporate securities. While some stocks might keep pace with inflation, others may not. The performance of corporate securities is tied to many factors beyond just inflation. B. Bank certificates of deposit. CDs typically offer fixed interest rates, which may not keep pace with rising inflation. The real, inflation-adjusted return on CDs can be negative during periods of high inflation. C. Government bonds. Similar to CDs, government bonds often have fixed interest rates, making them susceptible to losing value in real terms during inflation. Question 59. A financial loss suffered by a party due to a breach of contract is called A. Damages B. Breach C. Laches D. Fraud. Correct answer is A. Damages. Damages are the monetary compensation awarded to the injured party in a lawsuit to cover the financial losses they suffered as a result of the other party's breach of contract. They are intended to put the injured party in the position they would have been in had the contract been performed as agreed. Question 60. A note whose interest rate is tied to a movable economic index is A. Index loan B. Inflated note C. Running note D. Adjustable rate mortgage ARM. Correct answer is D. Adjustable rate mortgage ARM. While the term index loan might seem like a good fit, the more common and precise term for a loan with an interest rate tied to an economic index is an adjustable rate mortgage, ARM. ARMs are specifically designed to have interest rates that fluctuate based on a chosen index, like the prime rate or LIBOR. LIBOR is the basic rate of interest used in lending between banks on the London interbank market and also used as a reference for setting the interest rate on other loans. An ARM enables the lender to periodically adjust a loan to more correctly track the changing cost of money.